And this is what we've been wanting all along, and we're never involved early enough. The goal of this long term, obviously, is to be involved in these projects at the beginning. And the reason that's important outside of the lighting aspect of it is it gives the integrator a chance to work with these other trades, the interior designers, architects, etc., and the homeowner, and design a technology package that complements everything. So you can put invisible speakers in a situation where it doesn't take away from the aesthetic. You can put small aperture speakers in the ceiling that from a distance kind of match the aesthetic of the downlights in there. That's the benefit of it. You know, I have a really funny story, probably my favorite story since we've been in lighting. I was playing golf with a builder and an integrator, and I got paired up with a guy from the builder. And the intent was he was kind of stuck in the old way of doing things. The electrical guy is always going to supply the fixtures. That's never going to change. And the integrator wanted me to have a conversation with him about it just because I come at it from a different angle. I'm more national than he is. And so we played terrible in the front nine, so I didn't bring it up. We started turning things around in the back nine. We're both in a better mood. So we started talking about it. I said, are you seeing the integration channel start to supply fixtures? He's like, that'll never happen. It's been done this way for too long. I don't even see why they would want to. I'm like, well, that's not what I'm seeing nationally. And we kind of got into that conversation a little bit. And why I thought it was so interesting is because later on, we went to dinner and he brought it up on his own to the integrator. And he said, so it sounds like you guys are getting into the fixture side of things now. And they said, yeah, absolutely. And the reason why I like the story so much is because after we started talking about it for 5 to 10 minutes, he looked at him quizzically and he's like, you know, that means you got to get involved right away when these projects come out. He said it like it was a bad thing. And they said, yeah, absolutely. And this is what we've been wanting all along, and we're never involved early enough.